Today I'll show you how to floss the ulnar nerve. So what is a nerve floss exactly is we want to just mobilize the nerve between its soft tissue points where it's getting compression, and that could cause the type of symptoms you are experiencing. So in order to understand how to floss the ulnar nerve, we need to know the anatomy of it. And I've shown the anatomy in a previous video of mine, up here in the box I think probably. But let's just quickly recap on this. So we know the ulnar nerve runs in this portion of the wrist. So we know we want to at least flex the wrist this position like the median nerve as well. But the difference between the two nerves is that the ulnar nerve runs on the back side here of the elbow, whilst the median nerve runs on the front side. So median nerve is stretching it this way, but the ulnar nerve is actually flexing the elbow because it runs on this side. So this is putting stress on it. Ideally, we want to have the position of the hand in this position here. So now we're flexing the wrist, flexing the elbow, and also bringing our shoulder a little bit backwards to get some stretch from this part. In order to put maximum stretch on this nerve, we want to go opposite direction. So now there's a maximum stretch, so you might even start feeling some symptoms if you have an entrapment of the ulnar nerve. But we want to floss this nerve, so we want to make some room for the nerve to move towards the hand. So we need to take some tension off the spinal cord by moving the head towards the hand. So now there's room for the nerve to pull towards the fingers. So when we want to floss the other way, we need to take some tension off of the wrist, and we need to pull towards the spinal cord. So we want to pull towards the spinal cord, and we want to take tension off of the wrist. And this is how you floss the ulnar nerve. So, did you try it out and what did it do for you? Let me know in the comments. And over here somewhere you'll see the next video coming up. See you in the next one.